We have a new puzzle today, guys. Forcing move jackpot. So we wait 1 minute to solve the problem. If you saw the solution, just comment in the comment section. I'm waiting for your response. What is the best to your answer? So it's not easy, but remember, every master start with this method. You must solve the puzzle in order to win the title. Check. So if you have any suggestion, you may ask and comment in the comment section. Okay guys, there is no time, so the best move is sacrifice the queen. After sacrifice the queen, so treble that you must sacrifice your queen in order to checkmate. Then check using bishop. No, I think the best solution is here, then there, then here, mate. So that's all, guys.